Okay, here are the different green grabber screens for the RAIN2 and the RAIN4. Let's start out first with the smaller regular screen. This is going to be here. This is the stock RAIN2 screen. Okay, so it's 6 inches wide, 4 inches tall, and it's flat, which is fine for when you have good growth. Okay, and it's got the little tabs at the top that slide into the slot on through the water pipe. Okay, and the version of that with this is the slime and heavy growth version. This one has rails on one side to collect slime and heavy growth that would normally fall off a flat screen because you can't clean it in time. This will hold on a few more days. Same size, it just has the rails added to it. And then this is the RAIN2 screen with the rails on both sides. The rest of the screen is the same, but the rails are what's different. Rail's going to hold on to that slime because slime does not like to hold on to waterfall screens. It has no problem in upflow because it's supported by the water, but in waterfalls they have a big problem. Especially if you're using canvas, the regular canvas that we started using in 2008, because that's designed to be slippery so that the needle point will slide through it. But this is not that material. This is FDA approved food safe material, which is not designed to be slippery, and so it holds on even better. And then plus the designs for the little places for the slime to hold on to and the heavy growth for an extra couple of days. After you get past the slime or heavy growth phase, or you can harvest a little bit more often, you can go back to your regular flat screen. Okay, so here's the RAIN4 screen. Same 6 inches wide, but it's 8 inches tall, so it's twice the size. Has 3 tabs at the top, as you can see. Yep, there we go. Flat screen works just fine if you're getting nice thick green growth and you're cleaning every 5 to 10 days. Certainly no more than 14 days. But of course slime is going to fall right off of this. So the RAIN4 screen with rails on one side, this is it. 3 tabs on top, right there. Okay, and of course the reason why you would consider rails on only one side, if you're not sure what kind of slime you're getting, you can test it with this and see what side holds better, the rail side or the smooth side. And then the last one, the RAIN4 screen with the rails on both sides. A lot of rails there. All of the rails are 14 across. 14 rails across. There's your 3 tabs on the top to slide into the water pipe slot. Here we go. Green grabber screens with rails for slime and heavy growth until you can get past the slime growth, or until you can harvest heavy growth a little bit more often so that it doesn't fall off. This will help you out.